Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to buy USDT on Bybit using your Payoneer. So make sure to follow this process step by step and you will be able to do it. So first of all, open the Bybit application into your mobile phone and make sure that you are logged in with your account. And once you're logged in with your account, you will be seeing this kind of interface like your total asset, deposit and etc. everything. So from here, just you can read the below section of the screen: home, markets, trade, earn and assets. So just go to this section called assets, and on here you will be seeing your assets like the total amount of the USD or whatever currency you have in your account. And from here you can see the other options: deposit, withdraw, the transfer and convert. So make sure to select the first option called deposit, and once you click on deposit you can read like buy crypto with fiat or deposit with crypto. So make sure to select this option called P2P trading, and once you click on P2P trading, you will be seeing like the total list of all the people who are selling the currency. As you can see, like the total amount of USDT, make sure to select the currency, and from here let's say like this is the first person I want to buy from, so just click on buy. And once you click on buy, make sure to like select with crypto, and let's say I want to buy like 200 USDT from this person, and you can just click on buy. And once you click on buy, you will be asked to select the payment method. So once you select the payment method, the Pioneer, it will ask for any kind of authorization. Make sure to allow it, confirm it from your Pioneer account as well, and once you confirm it, you will be able to buy the USDT on Bybit using your Pioneer account. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.